Okay. Okay, right. So మన లైట్ టాపిక్ మీద ఒకసారి మామూలుగా డిస్కస్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోదాం. ఓకేనా, రైట్? సో వాట్ ఇస్ లైట్? లైట్ ఈస్ ఎ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ. ఒక 1 సెకండ్ 3 lakhs kilometers అనుకున్నాం. 3 into 10 power 5 kilometers per second, 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, or 3 into 10 power 10 centimeter per second, right? తర్వాత రిఫ్లెక్షన్, బౌన్సెస్ బ్యాక్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ రిఫ్లెక్షన్. రిఫ్లెక్షన్స్ ఆర్ మనకి 2 types అనుకున్నాం. ఒకటి రెగ్యులర్ రిఫ్లెక్షన్, రెండవది ఇర్రెగ్యులర్ రిఫ్లెక్షన్. Regular reflection also called as a specular, irregular reflection also called as a diffused reflection, right? అదేవిధంగా after that, loss of reflection, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Incident ray, reflected ray, normal lies on the same plane. Angle I is equal to angular, right? This is the first law of reflection. Second, incident ray, reflected ray, normal lies on the same plane. Okay. Yes or no? You can also interact so that it will be easy. Correct? Yes or no? Vajra and yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
right. So that is, and next one. Yeah, you are so smart, Vajra. It is coming live. YouTube live was no. So makeup అవన్నీ స్టాప్ చేసేసి ఏమయ్యా, యూట్యూబ్ లైవ్ లో ఉంది కదా, యూట్యూబ్ ఆర్ ఫేస్బుక్ సమ్ లైవ్ లో, రైట్? తర్వాత మిర్రర్స్. ఓకే, మిర్రర్స్ కన్నా ముందు గ్లాన్స్ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సిడెన్స్ అండ్ గ్లాన్స్ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ రిఫ్లెక్షన్, angle of deviation. So you have to focus on. Next, mirrors are 2 types of mirrors are there. One is a plane mirror. Number 2, spherical mirror. Spherical mirrors also called as a curved. There are again 2 types. One is a concave. Next one is a convex mirror. The concave also called as a converging. Convex also called as a diverging mirror. Right? And what are the characteristics of the image are formed by a plane mirror? Size the object. Size the object, size the image same. Distance between the mirror to the object and mirror to the image same. Laterally inverted, virtual and erected, and magnification is equal to +1. M is equal to +1. Correct? So we know 2 types of images. One is a real image, number 2 is called virtual image. Real image always inverted, virtual image always upright. Correct? Yes, Amma?
Yes,
Are you catching what I'm saying here?
yes, sir.
Real image always inverted, virtual image always upright.
Correct.
And next, then concave mirror. So any points have you missed?
No, sir.
Right? So Vajra. And next one is concave mirror and convex mirror rules. When light ray is parallel to the principal axis, it's a concave mirror, it's a pole, center of richer focus. When light ray is parallel to the principal axis after reflection, it is a passing from the focus, right? When light is passing from the focus after reflection, it is a parallel to the
Principal axis.
focus. When light is passing from focus after reflection, parallel to the principal axis. Next, when light ray is passing C, center of curvature, okay, it retraces on the same path. It does not deviate, right? Okay, are you clear? Right, just a minute. I'm sending the links to everyone so that they can watch. Okay, right? Is it clear for you? Okay, rules. Then total how many characteristics in the concave mirror? In the concave mirror, total 6 characteristics are there. How many are there?
6.
How many characteristics? 6 characteristics.
6 characteristics.
Number 1, when object is infinity. Next one, when object is beyond C. Then object is at C. Then object is between F and C. Then object is at focus. Then object is in between the pole and focus, right? Okay, now. Right. Vessel. Okay, now. Right. Camera off. Right. Then next time. In the convex mirror, only two characteristics. One object is infinity. Next one, object is in between the infinity and pole. In the concave mirror, especially, total in 6 characteristics. In that special case is when object is between the pole and focus. Correct? When object is between the pole and focus, what type of image will form, Vajra? What type of image will form?
Sir,
Yes, when object is between the pole and focus. Vajra or Devash, anyone?
virtual image.
Yes. Remaining other conditions, infinity,
Real
beyond,
and
etc.
Real
real
and
and
inverted.
inverted.
Very good.
Real and
Real and inverted. Okay,
Inverted.
now. Right. So what are the uses of concave mirror?
You
Concave
used,
mirror, you can use. What are the use of concave mirror? Anyone in the
sir,
class?
used in
Makeup mirror.
headlights. Used
Yes,
in
Amma?
headlights of car.
One
It
is
can be used as makeup mirror
Makeup.
and dentist office.
Makeup mirror,
Makeup.
solar furnaces,
And
headlights
shaving.
of car.
Okay.
Dentist offices.
Emma?
Dentist
see
office.
last image.
Okay. Next one, dentist. ENT doctors. Next. Dentist, ENT doctors, and core lights, bomb
Got it.
detector. Yeah. And any more?
Solar furnace.
Yes, Emma, solar furnace. Very good. Next, Emma. Yeah. What about the convex mirror uses?
It sharp turns.
Rear view mirrors.
Emma?
Rear view mirrors. Sir.
Okay. Rear view and
It sharp
rear view
turns.
is in the
Used at
shopping
sharp
malls.
turns.
And
Security
the
measures.
blind spots. Kada? Security.
Reflectors. Sir.
Okay. Right. And then after the mirror formula, what is the mirror formula? 1 by F is equal to
1 by F is equal to
1 by V plus 1
plus
by
1 by U.
1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V.
Yes.
Correct? U
Yes.
means what? Object distance. V means image distance. F means what?
Distance.
Focal length. So what is the
Focal
relation
length.
between the focal length and radius of curvature?
R is equal to
2F equal to R.
R is equal to
F equal to R by 2.
R by 2.
R by
Okay,
2.
now. So for example, focal length is 10. What about the radius of curvature? Focal length 10 అవుతే radius of curvature ఏమవుతుంది?
20.
20.
20. Why? So why you
Sir,
could
R
not
is
say
equal to
Focal
2F,
length
sir.
is
R
half
is
of
equal to
radius.
2F, sir.
yes. Okay, that's very good. Yes. And after that, sign convention rules. All distances should be measured from the pole. When the object is above the principal axis, positive, below negative. Okay, now if the left side negative, right side positive, above unte positive and below negative. That's all, right?
Yes.
Okay, m is equal to +1. What does it mean? One indicates
One indicates
size of the
no.
object, size of the image same. Plus indicate it's a virtual image, right? Virtual image always upright. For example, m is equal to +2. Plus means
It is,
indicates virtual and erected image. 2 indicates
Yes, sir. Bigger size of the image.
Yeah,
smaller
magnified.
size of object.
Magnified. Yes, if less than 1, diminished or smaller size.
Diminished.
Okay. Right, next. That's all. Still any more? Yes, Amma? Okay, sign convention, and you have to solve the numericals based on this one. Okay, next one, coming to the human eye, the least distance of distance vision, 25 centimeters, angle of vision 60. Yes, next. Please try to cover. Yeah, Vajra or anyone? Interact?
Sir, at most distance infinity, sir, of an eye.
Emma?
At most distance of an eye infinity, sir.
Okay. When
Sir,
we're focusing the very
diff-
far objects, what
Yes.
happens? Cell remains relaxed or strained?
Strain.
Strain.
Sir.
Relaxed when you're focusing on the distant objects. Hello? Vajra and both of you.
Sir, strained.
Yes, Emma?
Strained.
Strained.
Relaxed.
Okay.
sir.
Relaxed గా ఉంటాయి. Okay, now, right. When you're focusing on the near objects,
Strained.
Strain, sir.
okay, good. Next one.
Sir, defects of vision, sir. Myopia,
Okay, total how many
presbyopia.
types of defects are there? Two types. One is a myopia. Actually,
Sir, three, sir.
myopia, hypermetropia, presbyopia, and astigmatism and color blindness.
5.
Okay, now. So, but in according to textbook, remember myopia, hypermetropia, and presbyopia. How can
Yes,
you
sir.
correct the myopia?
Concave.
Concave. Next one, hypermetropia,
Convex mirror.
Convex.
Lens.
convex lens. Lens mirror both are same or different? Different, no?
Different.
Different,
Difference.
sir.
Yes. Okay. Next one. Presbyopia. Myopia means they can see near objects or very far objects.
They can see near objects, not far objects.
Those who are suffering from the myopia, they can see near objects clearly. They cannot see very far objects. Hypermetropia.
Sir,
They can see
cannot
far
near
objects.
They cannot
can't
see
see
far
near
near
Yes.
objects.
For that, yes, concave lens and convex lens we use. Presbyopia, they will suffer with both myopia and hypermetropia.
Bifocal lens, sir.
Yes or no? Bifocal lenses, right? So we have seen that one. Next. And so atmosphere,
Sir.
rainbow, formation of rainbow, atmospheric diffraction. So what is the reason for the atmospheric diffraction?
Sir, when light
Means
rays
atmosphere,
travel
yes,
from denser to rarer
stars are
medium.
twinkling. What is the reason for that one? Why what is the diffraction first of all?
Bending of light when change in mediums.
Well, bending of light rays means when light rays traveling one medium to other medium, what happens?
Its
the light
speed
will
changes
bend.
and its velocity will change and which will make it to move.
Correct. When light rays traveling rarer medium to denser medium, it bending towards normal or away from the normal?
Away from normal.
Rarer medium to denser medium. When light rays
Towards-
traveling rarer
towards
medium to
normal.
denser
Towards the
medium,
normal.
towards normal.
Rarer.
Denser to rarer, away from the normal.
Away from the normal.
Right? So what
Yes, sir.
happens here when rarer to denser, angle of incidence is greater than angle of refraction? Right? Next condition. Angle of refraction is greater than angle of incidence.
Yes.
Okay, next.
Sir, Tyndall effect, sir.
Yeah,
Tyndall
okay.
effect, sir.
And critical angle, total internal reflection. So what is the critical angle? Angle of refraction is 90 degrees. When angle of refraction is 90 degrees, light ray must travel denser medium to rarer medium. Denser medium to rarer medium. Correct. So when angle of refraction is 90, angle of incidence is called critical angle. When angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, TIR, total internal reflection. Correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Are you catching what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Next.
Yes, sir.
Power of lens.
Sir, 1 by F, sir.
P is equal to 1 by F. Reciprocal of the
Yes.
focal length is called power of lens.
Yes.
So what is the, power of lens? What are the units, Amma?
Diopters.
Diopters. Next.
In P equals to 1 by F, F is measured in meters.
Yes, P is equal to 1 by F in meters, 100 by F in centimeters.
Centimeters.
Okay, very good. Next. Okay, next, Amma. Yeah, any questions here?
No, sir.
Okay, next one. Next. What is the reason for the twinkling of stars?
Refraction of
when
light through atmosphere.
Atmospheric refraction. Okay, formation of a rainbow, dispersion
So,
and total internal reflection.
Scattering of light.
Yes.
internal
Okay, what is
reflection.
scattering? Re-emission of light in all directions with different intensity is called scattering. Correct? That is scattering. Okay. Okay, in this, yeah, you have to check what is the reason for the sky blue, sky white, right? And sun delay for 2 minutes, correct? The sun rising time, at the same time sunset time. Okay, what is the reason for this one, right? And when you come to the electricity, so what is the current? What is the formula for current? I is equal to
Q by T.
Q by T. What is the Q? Charge. T
Charge.
means
Charge.
what? Time.
Time taken.
Charge is measured in coulomb.
Coulombs.
Time is measured in second.
Seconds.
Coulomb per second is called ampere. That means the
Ampere.
current is
Ampere.
measured in ampere.
Ampere.
Okay, now, so what is the instrument to measure this current? Which
Ammeter.
instrument
Ammeter.
we use?
Ammeter.
Ammeter. So this ammeter always we should connect in series or
Series.
parallel?
Series.
Series.
What is the formula for the voltage? V is equal to
W by Q.
IR.
W
I
Q.
have Ohm's
W
law.
by
It is
Q.
Ohm's law. So
W by
voltage
Q.
and potential difference same. So V is equal to W by Q. Correct. W means work done. Q means what?
Work done.
Charge.
Charge.
So yeah. Okay now. Work done. What is the unit of work done? Joule. Joule for
Joules.
coulomb. That
Joule
is
by
volt.
Coulomb.
So 1 volt.
Yes, sir.
Right. So this potential difference we can measure by using one instrument that is called voltmeter. Correct. Okay
Yes,
now.
sir.
Yeah, this voltmeter how to connect in the circuit? Always
Parallel.
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 The meter always we should connect in series. This voltmeter always should connect in parallel. Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay now. And conventional current, how the current will travel from positive to negative or negative to positive?
Negative to positive.
Current and electrons.
Positive to negative.
Confusion. Why Shilpita and Devash? The current direction and electron direction opposite. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. They travel in opposite direction. Current will travel from positive to negative. Correct? Yes or no? The electrons will opposite. So
Yes,
which
sir.
is high potential? Positive charge is positive terminal high potential or negative terminal high potential? Yes, anyone? Emma,
Negative, sir.
once text, just go through this and text it. Don't was and conventional current also you have to check this one.
Sir, negative,
Okay.
sir.
Right. So which is high potential, which is low potential? Right.
Sir, negative
Current how it will
terminal
travel
has
and electrons how it travel. Okay, 1 point. Next, resistance. What is the resistor?
opposing the flow of current.
Which opposes the flow of current is called resistor. So resistance is depends on what factors?
Length of the material.
Length,
Area
length of the
nature
wire,
of
length of the
material.
conductor,
Temperature.
area
Area
of
of
the
cross
material,
section.
cross-sectional area,
Area of cross section.
temperature. Okay, right. So what are the units of resistance? What is the unit?
Ohm.
Ohm. Specific resistance. The unit of specific resistance is
Ohmmeter. Ohmmeter.
ohm meter. Correct. The
Yes.
unit of specific resistance is ohm meter. Okay now. Next.
Heating effect.
Yes, Sam. Okay. Next one. But specific ohm meter. Specific resistance does not depends on length and area.
Yes, sir.
Okay, resistance is depends on length and area, but specific resistance does not depends on that one.
Yes,
That
sir.
depends on nature of the material and temperature only.
Temperature.
Okay, the specific resistance does not depends on dimension. Next, coming to the Ohm's law, at a constant temperature, the potential difference across the conductor is directly proportional to the current. Is V is
Give me-
proportional to I. V is equal
IR.
to IR. I is
IR.
equal to V by R. R is equal
V by
to
R.
V by I.
Mm.
Okay, now it's a Ohm's law. This is Ohm's law. Okay, which the connectors which obey the Ohm's law are called ohmic connectors. The connectors which do not obey the Ohm's law are called non-ohmic
Non-ohmic.
connectors.
Non-ohmic conductors.
Ohmic connectors means which obey the Ohm's law. Non-ohmic means which do not obey the Ohm's law. Okay. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what are the example? Ohmic connectors examples? All metals are the example for the ohmic connectors. Like non-ohmic connectors, gaseous connectors, and germanium, silicon. Okay, those are the example for non-ohmic connectors. The ohmic also called as a linear. Why? The graph, what type of graph you obtain?
Straight
Linear
line,
or
sir.
non-linear?
Straight
Linear.
line. Linear, sir.
Linear graph. We obtain the linear graph. Non-ohmic characters, non-linear graph.
Non-linear curve.
Because they do not obey the Ohm's law.
Ohm's law.
Right? This already we discussed in the virtual lab. We have seen the
Yes,
practically
sir.
how that is. Yes, sir. Have you seen or not in the practically? Yes, how that voltage increases, current increases, voltage decreases, current decreases. So that we have discussed and we have seen in the virtual lab. And next one.
Heating effect, sir.
Heating effect and resistors when connected in series and parallel. So what is the formula for when resistors are connected in series?
R equals to R1 plus R3.
R1 plus R2
Yes,
plus
R is equal
R3.
to R1 plus R2 plus
R3.
R3.
R3. 1 by next one, 1 by R is equal to
1 by R1.
1 by R equals to 1 by R1.
1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3.
yes, 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2
Plus 1 by
plus
R3.
1 by R3. If 3 resistors connected, okay, 3. If 2, only R1 plus
2.
R2. So right, series is this. Okay, when resistors are connected in series, resultant resistance increases or decreases?
Resistance, sir, increases, sir.
Yes, when resistor, yeah, okay. One thing, please just you open the YouTube and just like it so that it can reach to someone, those who require. Okay, whatever the watching that is. Yes. Yes, everyone, just do that one so that it will reach to someone who require. Okay, right. So, yeah. And one more class, very effectively, I am planning in online completely chapter wise with full pledge manner. Yes. And next one. Okay. Right. Are you getting what I'm saying? So when resistors are connected in series, the resultant resistance increases. When resistors are connected in parallel, the resultant resistance, what happened? Decreases.
Decrease.
So R is equal to R1, R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So we can write R is 1 by R is equal to 1 by R plus 1 by R. Okay, for example, R1 is equal to 10 ohms, R2 is equal to 10 ohms. So when these two are connected in series, what is the resultant resistance, Vajra? R is equal to 10 ohms. R2 is equal to 10 ohms. These two are connected in series. What happens?
Then, sir,
Resultant
resistance.
resistance.
10 ohms.
2.
10
20
ohms, 10
ohms.
ohms. What happens?
20 ohms.
20 ohms.
20 ohms, sir. 10,
Okay, when
20,
connected in
20.
parallel,
5
see,
ohms.
5
5
ohms.
ohms.
in series increased.
5 ohms.
Parallel, what happened? Decreased.
Decrease.
Decrease, sir.
So, yes, not required to calculate 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1. So, the right directly R by N you can do. Okay, right? Next. And after this voltmeter and this is okay. And next one, what? In this,
Electric power and heating effect.
yeah, okay. What is the power? What is the formula for the power? Power is equal to what we can say? Rate of doing work is called power.
Yes, sir.
Right? So, what is the formula? Rate of doing work means power is equal to work by time.
Yes,
So,
sir.
what is the unit of work? The unit of work is joule.
Joules.
Time is second. So, joule for second is called watt. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Energy next. Capacity to do the work is called energy. Energy is equal to the product of power and time. Okay, now, and next one, electrical energy, how can you measure in kilowatt hour? 1 kilowatt hour is equal to, what is the value? 1 kilowatt hour, 36 into 10 power 5. Yes or no? 36 into 10 power
Yes, sir.
5 joule, or 3.6 into 10 power 6. Correct? You can, yeah. Okay, that is the, yes. Right? Any questions here?
No, sir.
Okay, so that is the and power and the Joule's law here. Yes, and heating effect. H is equal to what is the formula? I square
I
Nice
square
square
RT.
RT.
RT. Correct. That H is directly proportional to square of there is a heat. Okay, now H is depends on what? Number one. Yes, are you able to hear my voice or not?
Yes, sir.
H is
Yes,
equal to
sir.
I square RT, no? That means H is
Yes,
directly
sir.
proportional to the current
Yes.
time.
Current, resistance, and time.
Yes or no? Right? So, okay. Next one. In the houses, how we can connect the electrical bulbs
Parallel.
or yes, parallel series
Parallel.
in parallel.
And
So, yes, domestic voltage, how much in the home? What is the S?
220 to 240 volts.
220 to 240. What is the frequency of AC? Frequency of AC.
And 50 hertz.
50 hertz. Hertz means what is the hertz means what? It's a unit of frequency. Correct? What is the frequency? Number of oscillations or vibrations produced in 1 second is called frequency. So AC means what? Air cooler. AC means air cooler, no?
Yes, sir.
Air condition. Correct? Yes. You're saying
No,
yes.
sir. No, sir.
Huh.
Alternating current.
Alternative current. Yes, correct. DC means
Direct current.
direct current. What is the
current.
frequency of DC?
Sir,
0 hertz.
0 hertz.
Zero. Zero. Correct. Okay, now. Yeah. Okay. Ammeter for to measure the current. Voltmeter to measure the voltage. Galvanometer. They were sorry. Vajra. For anyone?
Detect current.
Good. That's right. Very good. Very good. Right. Okay. So here, any questions?
Yes.
Okay. Right. Next, magnetic substances and non-magnetic substances. Correct? Magnetic and non-magnetic substances. Victor? Yes or no? Okay, current carrying conductor produces the magnetic field. So the magnetic field means what? The space or region around the magnet in which the force is experienced by the magnetic pole is called magnetic field. The magnetic field consists of magnetic lines of forces. The number of magnetic lines of forces is called magnetic flux. So yes, there was the magnetic flux.
Yes.
How can you represent letter pi? What is the unit of
Yes.
that one?
Weber. Weber.
Correct. Yeah, magnetic flux density pi by A. Magnetic flux density or magnetic field induction. P is equal to pi by A. That is Weber per meter square or Tesla. Yes, in SI system Tesla, CJ system Gauss. According to isolate experiment, current carrying conductor produces the magnetic field. Correct? Okay, now more current passes, more magnetic field develop. How can you find direction of the magnetic field? By using right hand thumb rule. Okay, now this thumb shows the direction of the current. The four curl fingers show the direction of the magnetic field. Yes or no? When current
Yes,
is
sir.
going
Yes,
upwards,
sir.
okay, the current upwards, direction of the magnetic field in the anti-clockwise direction. Current is downwards. This,
Clockwise.
yeah,
Clockwise.
clockwise direction. Okay, now? Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one. Just briefly.
Fleming's left hand rule. Fleming's left hand rules.
Fleming's left hand rule. This Fleming's left hand rule. So like this, stretch your thumb, forefinger, and middle finger. This shows what? Thumb shows what?
Yes, sir. Force.
Direction of
Force. Okay, motion. This one, direction of the magnetic field. This direction of the current.
Current.
Correct? Yes or no? So electric
Yes.
motor. Electric motor, what is the principle? It works on the principle of current carrying conductor placed in the magnetic field, right? So electric motor, it converts what energy, which energy to which energy? To the electric motor, what we are giving, we will give electrical energy, correct? So it converted into what energy? Mechanical energy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so right. So once again, you have to revise. Okay, right. What we have discussed, just you revise. And apart from this, many more points are there that we will see in next tomorrow class. We will see remaining points. Just okay now. Some points only we have covered. Okay, in depth, many points are there in each and every chapter. So that we will see in the tomorrow class, as well as we will conduct a number of tests. So already, which topic? Human collectible completed number of tests we have completed. Light also completed. So we have to focus on electricity and electromagnetism. And covalence compound also completed. I think number of tests, I think around many questions we have covered.
Sir, only 5 questions, sir.
Hmm?
Only 5 questions we did, sir. Carbon and its compounds.
Yeah, okay. Okay, right, okay. Right, okay. Now, have a nice day. Any questions to ask here?
No, sir. No,
Okay,
sir.
you have to revise all this and okay. Now, so right, have a nice day, all of you. Right.
Thanks, sir.